All right, people, we're at Home Depot with the new Dewalt deals for $229. You got the 20-volt max atomic drill and impact driver with 2 Powerstack batteries. Okay, right here you got buy a tool, get the starter kit free. You start off with the 20-volt max grinder, 4.5 inch for $129. You got the quarter sheet sander for $139. You got the atomic 20-volt max impact driver for $149. You got the 20-volt max XR drywall screw gun for $149. You got the 20-volt atomic one-hand compact recip saw for $149. You got the 20-volt max 6.5 inch circ saw for $179. You got the 20-volt max XR recip saw for $179. Then you got the barrel grip jigsaw 20-volt max XR for $199. For $219, you got the 20-volt max XR SDS rotary hammer, and you got the 20-volt max XR 16-gauge angle finish nailer for $299. And if you buy one of those, then you could get the Powerstack 1.7 amp battery starter kit with the charger for free. And it's supposed to be 50% more power and 25% more compact. And I'm pretty sure that you'll be able to do the return the tool, return the battery, and you could get some money back for that. But I'm not sure what the amounts will be, but I'm sure you'll be able to do that with these deals right here, because they're just like all the other deals that have been before. But the only difference is that they come with the new Powerstack batteries, and they're on 1.7 amp right here. You got the two for $179. You got the 20-volt max 2-pack 1.7 amp Powerstack batteries, and that's the 2-pack for $179. Yeah, they still got this rigid car cleaning kit for $24.97, down from $52. All right, people, keep on doing what you do. Don't let nobody say you can't do anything. Stay safe, and I'll see you guys on the next go around. Bye. And with that being said, people, if you like talking about tools, go ahead and subscribe to the channel.